Sculptra is one of the best biostimulators on the market and it has been around for decades. It's essentially poly-L-lactic acid, and when we administer Sculptra into the dermal layer of the skin, it creates a controlled inflammatory response, and what happens is you get an upregulation in collagen production. All of the signs of aging that we see as we age, the fine lines and wrinkles, the sagging of the skin, the dullness in the skin, comes from a lack of collagen and elastin over the years. We lose about 1% every year after the age of 25. So by layering something like Sculptra into the skin, we're upregulating collagen production many times, tightening the skin and giving you the youthful appearance that you used to have. As you can see from these videos, we use a cannula in order to administer Sculptra. It comes in a little powder form and we dilute it with 10 ml of saline. We then administer it to either side of the face, predominantly along the back of the jaw as seen here, up into the mid-face because we really want to tighten this area up, along the cheek, up into your temple, and then up behind your hairline. Now, over the course of around 3 to 6 months, that collagen production will then tighten up this whole area, giving the face a nice natural lifting effect. The optimal dosing for Sculptra, if you want the best results, is a vial for every decade of life. So for example, for someone who's 40 years old, you want to have 4 vials within the course of 3 months. The results of Sculptra is not an overnight thing. The process of producing collagen takes 3 to 6 months. So by the 3rd month, you should see visible results, but you have to wait up to 6 months before you see the final result. The beautiful thing about Sculptra, however, is that the results will last between 2 to 3 years, much longer than anything like dermal fillers. It's great for people who just want that natural rejuvenation of the skin and tightening and lifting of the face without having to use dermal fillers. This is an example of a patient who's had 5 vials of Sculptra within 3 months, and you can see here the before and after a 6-month period. The results are fantastic. If you guys want to find out more about Sculptra, then just get in touch and you can even book in for a free consultation via the website.